almost at our hotel. We're going uphill now to Sky Ranch Lodge.
Oh boy, I like this, how we're going up. It makes me excited because I'm like, oh, maybe there'll be a grand view at the top.
I mean, it looks like it from here, from what I'm seeing. Candy can't look, but from what I'm seeing, it looks pretty grand. Here it is, Sky Ranch Lodge.
Where the entrance is.
It says lobby gift shop up there.
Okay.
Let's just try
Oh,
it
yeah, I
here
see this one.
first. All right, so we're in room 222.
Maybe it's this way. Yeah, I see the number. Like little cottages.
Yeah, these are cute. See how it is inside,
Yeah.
but they
So
give us
far.
like 2 bottles of water, and then I mentioned the restaurant that's nearby here. I think it's Grill Mesa or Mesa Grill.
We can just see it from the lobby entrance.
Yeah, and you get a 10% discount if you eat there if you're staying at this hotel. So
Yeah.
I'm glad I mentioned it.
Yeah, I know. Like they should mention it when you're there, like
Yeah.
without us having to ask. But
Yeah.
this little grassy area for you, Kuma.
Oh my gosh, come on!
This is so perfect.
Great! We just checked into our room at the Sky Ranch Lodge here in Sedona, and we absolutely love it here. Literally, we just got here and just checked in, so we have all of our stuff out, but it is so nice. We think they just recently redecorated this or renovated it because everything looks new. Everything smells brand new.
I wonder if during the pandemic, because things were shut down, that was their time for companies to be like, let's renovate while we can.
Maybe.
I feel like this is the second hotel we've been to where, you know, the previous photos looked kind of
like dingy.
and then we arrive and it's like, it smells brand new, it looks brand new. So yeah, very, very surprised at how nice this room is and how spacious it is.
Yeah, it's very spacious. Wood floors. Kuma doesn't like wood floors because she loves carpet, but I love wood floors. And they have a sign or a notice here that just says, welcome, we're delighted that you're here, and that they're adhering to all the CDC guidelines, which is great. The office is open from 7 to 10. There's a pool right in front of our place, which is nice. I don't think we'll be able to enjoy it because we're only here for a short amount of time. The garden, this is out here, a little garden we have. This is really nice. Kuma's gonna enjoy this. Yeah, she's already going out. But look at that little bridge right there. Oh, this is so cute.
To relaxing, calming sound.
Yeah. All right, Kuma, you wanna come back? We'll go later.
Yeah, we'll go.
Okay.
Walking really slow back here.
It's Miss Turtle. Yeah, so these are our beds. They look like queen size beds, which I believe they are. 2 queen size beds. We brought Kuma's little dog bed with us.
It matches the room.
It does match the room.
That was not here.
Yeah.
We brought that.
It does match it. And then there's the drawers here.
Huge dresser.
Oh, these are nice. Yeah.
Yeah, they feel, I think they're brand new.
They feel brand new. And here's a microwave, which is great. And then they have like a medium size fridge.
And it's got an actual nice
It has a freezer, which is always great for us, so we can keep our ice pack frozen. Nice size microwave too.
Yeah, it looks brand new too, this microwave.
This couch, it has this nice blanket on it too. We have so much stuff with us that we just went ahead and plopped everything on the beds and chairs, but
You even have a nice little dining area.
yeah.
Which you just mentioned.
No, actually I didn't mention the dining table. I just mentioned the pool out there.
Yeah, nice little dining area if we wanted to eat here, but we're probably gonna go literally like walk 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes to go enjoy lunch.
Yeah.
And dinner. She's having so much fun.
She's going to town over here.
She's like, it's not quite carpet, but I'll take it.
I'll take it. She's like, I'll rub against like this bedding. So here's the bathroom. The bathroom is, Candy was really excited about the bathroom. She's like, it's so nice. But yeah, this looks brand new up here. And then the shower in here looks, oh, look at that. Oh, they have a fan too. A lot of hotels recently we go to, they just don't have fans anymore, but yeah, look at how nice this is. And I always like when hotels provide makeup removers. I think it's a great thought for the ladies. And I always do use it, so does Candy. There is no magnifying mirror. Candy loves those. Those are not here. I'm sorry, Candy.
But it's nice and bright in here.
But it is nice and bright, and she has her big mirror here, so she can do her makeup or
It's-
eyebrow plucking, whatever she likes to do.
Yeah, it's white lights, not those yellow ones, so it's even better for
White
lighting.
lights,
Yeah.
They also have some coffee without plastic cups. They actually put real cups in here, like mugs. This is Sky Ranch Lodge. Bummer part is that these drawers are fake. They don't actually open and they're just here for like decoration. And this doesn't open either, it's locked. I'm guessing they have some like supplies in there. Ironing board, they have extra blankets up top. And a luggage rack. The ceiling, the wood panels are great. Yeah, we're really excited to stay here. I actually wish we were staying here another day now, because I wasn't expecting it to be so nice. It's kind of like a pit stop to our next stop, which is in the Capitol Reef area. Yeah, so I think we're gonna change real quick and walk over to that restaurant. Look at this. If dogs don't get special treatment, we call this number. They're supposed to get cold filtered ice water. I like this place already.
I know, I like it when they're very caring to our pets.
Yeah. The views are nice too. I like how they built like the glass to avoid like the dirt and all that too. The dust. It's like right by the airport there. She did get ice water, right? You got your ice water? That's nice. Special treatment. We just left Sky Ranch Lodge and absolutely loved it there. It was more amazing than we thought it would be.
Yeah, don't listen to the Google rating that this hotel is a 2-star hotel, because I think it's outdated and it's more like a 4-star hotel, in our opinion.
Yeah, I mean, because when I looked at the reviews on TripAdvisor and Booking.com, they had all great reviews. So when Candy was looking up on Google search what this place was about, the Google rating was 2 stars, which is like crazy.
Yeah, but the customer reviews on there were 4.5 stars, so it's like it's contradicting. So we see now that where we think it is just a mistake and they need to update their rating, hotel
What the
rating.
heck, Google?
Yeah, Google.
I picked this place because I saw that you can get great views of the mountains or the rocks and the sunset, and it was true. We got some amazing views, some panoramic views of the rocks, and we got lucky too staying there, because usually if you want to get that view, you have to actually pay for the parking to see that view. It was like $3, I believe. Which is kind of like weird, because usually when you stop at viewpoints, you don't have to pay for parking.
Yeah.
But since we were staying there, it was just, a few steps away from where we were at, so we got lucky. But there was like this side where the tourists would go to see the panoramic view, but we had another view inside the property, which was a lot better because we didn't have anything obstructing the views.
And we had it to ourselves.
Yeah, we had it to ourselves. At this nice little bench. We had like the trees, kind of framing it. So it was really, really gorgeous, and we enjoyed the sunset views and the sunrise this morning as well.
Yeah, and we were surprised to see hot air balloons during sunrise.
Yes.
We weren't expecting that, so that was a nice surprise.
Yeah, that was really nice. The room was gorgeous, way better than I expected.
Gorgeous and spacious. It looks brand new.
Yeah, definitely brand new. I think they recently renovated it.
The property was gorgeous. The gardens were well maintained. Early in the morning, I already saw maintenance cleaning out the pool. So they're on top of it with cleaning, keeping the property very clean and really tidy. Yeah.
And the service was great too. Not only from the staff that works there, but Candy was saying the maintenance people that were taking care of the gardens, they were like, "Have a great day." I'm like, "Well, thank you."
I would say that it's a fantastic place to stay if you're in the area. And yeah, I really have no complaints.
None at all. I think that was a really, really great place to stay at in Sedona. So, hope this review helped you out. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.